Okay, this video is on how to make your personal Windows laptop work at National Trail. The first thing you have to do is you have to download the Securely certificate. Securely is our web filtering service, so you just click on that. It may download automatically, or it may say where do you want to download it. Once it's downloaded and it takes that much time, you just click on it and it says what do you want to do with it. I want to open it. And I want to install the certificate to the local machine. Next. And it says, do you have permission? I want to place it in the following store. You browse to the Trusted Root Certificates Authorities. Say OK. Next. Finish. Import was successful. And you are done. Once you've done that, your Windows laptop should work at National Trail, but you do have to be logged on to Gmail to get the full filters on Chrome. So this is for Chrome users on personal laptops.